Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel That Budding Dentist. The topic of my video is the cell, the unit of the life. The study of the cell is known as cytology. Earlier it was known as cell biology. The study of tissues is known as histology. And who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Biology is divided into two main fields, botany and zoology. Botany is of plants and zoology is of animals. The basic MCQs of this unit is the father of botany is Theophrastus and the father of zoology is Aristotle. There are few main scientists who gave their basic discoveries for the cell. First is the Robert Hooke. He studied the cork tissue from the bark of the tree. He observed some empty compartments in the bark of the tissue known as cell. On this topic, he also wrote a book known as the Micrographia. The Jardin. He observed the fluid in the cell called the sarcode. The another scientist was Purkinje and von Moll. He named the sarcode as protoplasm. Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He first saw and described the live cell. And he also invented the microscope. So what is protoplasm? Basically, this is a basic cell which consists of nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. The nucleus consists of a fluid material known as nucleoplasm. When cytoplasm combines with nucleoplasm, it forms protoplasm. So what is protoplasm? Cytoplasm, that is the fluid in between the cell and the fluid inside the nucleus. It whole forms as a structure known as protoplasm. There was another scientist known as Thomas Hunt Huxley. He said that the protoplasm is the basis of life. Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. What does that mean? It means that all the activities are carried inside the cell with the help of protoplasm. There was another scientist, Robert Brown. He discovered the nucleus. So let's discuss about metabolism. Metabolism is of two types, catabolism and anabolism. Cata means breakdown. Ana means join. The examples of catabolism is respiration. An example of anabolism is photosynthesis. In respiration, C6H12O6 combines with O2 to form CO2 plus water. What is C6H12O6? Glucose. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide combines with water to form glucose and oxygen. There were two theories given by scientists for the study of cells. One was the cell theory and another is the modern cell theory. Cell theory. Cell theory was given by Matthias Schlitten in 1938 and Theodor Schwann in 1939. He said that all the living organisms are made up of cells. Cells contain a mass of protoplasm containing a nucleus in it. And the third point he gave was that the cell is the basic unit of life. There were some objections on this theory. For example, what in unicellular organisms like amoeba? They are just made up of single cell. And what in cell products and cell organelles? What in multinucleated cells? What in prokaryotes? What in viruses? And from where the new cells come? These were some objections on the cell theory. Then came another scientist, Rudolf Virchow. He gave the term omnicellula acellulae, which means that the new cells arise from the pre-existing ones. Then the Schlitten studied different animal cells and reported that the cells had an outer thin layer called the plasma membrane. Then another theory was proposed on the cell, which was modified based on the findings of the many scientists, known as the modern cell theory, which states that all the cells arise from the pre-existing ones. Another point which was given was all the living organisms are composed of the cells and the cell products.